The joke for the day. The joke for the day. Oh crap. Hey, you're not supposed to see that. What's up, guys? And welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today, we're gonna be talking about some good old tech news. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and leave a comment below. And of course, I know why you guys are here. You're here to listen to all of my wonderful jokes. I should just do two jokes for today, right? All right. So now, here goes a joke. How do you know when a vampire is sick? Huh? Come on now. You know it is. All right, I'll tell you. Because he's coughing. All right, guys. So the story for today is the OnePlus 8T, the Terminator. Ha. Well, let's talk about it. Well, first off, the OnePlus 8T comes out on the 23rd of October, which is probably tomorrow if you're watching it, or today if you're watching this, or whenever. Anyway, but that is the official release date. Now, check this out. This phone is ridiculously insane and really, really good with a really good price tag of $750 compared to a $1,000 or a $2,000 price tag for these fancy flashes. And in actual reality, it's just a flasher just for a much lower price. Now, for starters, we only have OnePlus 8T, the Terminator. Now, there's no Pro version, and I assume OnePlus felt like the OnePlus 8 Plus was enough to hold its own, which I agree with. Now if you compare the OnePlus 8T to the OnePlus 8 Pro, let's see what we compare it to. Now, first we're going to start off with the OnePlus 8 Pro. Now, it has an IP rating, it has Quad HD display, wireless charging, reverse wireless charge, and it's a little bit bigger in the size. Now, if you look at the OnePlus 8T, guess what? It has none of those. Sad, right? But hold on. I know you guys like, okay, what's the point of talking about this phone? Just hear me out. Now, I know you're thinking to yourself, okay, what's so great about having a phone with none of these special features with a $750 price tag? Okay, well, let's talk about the OnePlus 8T. Now, it does have Gorilla Glass 5 on the back, and it's also on the front. And it also has an aluminum frame, and it has an insanely fast face unlock. That's awesome, man. And it also has a on-screen fingerprint display sensor, which works 100% of the time and is maybe a little bit more faster than the face unlock. Also, always on display. Now, OnePlus 8 finally brought it back. Pretty much bezel-less 6.55-inch display, and also comes with a 120 Hz refresh rate and an AMOLED display screen and dual speakers and 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. Now, the really great thing about this is it has a 4,500 milliamp hour battery with a 65-watt charging. And it does have quad cameras on the rear, meaning 4 cameras. So come on, guys, there's really no need to spend $1,000 on any phone any longer, especially with these mid-ranges with some beat specs. Now, I do know some of you guys may be turned off because it doesn't have an IP ready, it doesn't have Quad HD display, and doesn't have wireless charging. Well, I understand that, but hey, look, like I said before, you should definitely check this phone out because, like I said, there's no need to pay $1,000. And I'm definitely guilty of spending $1,000 for a phone. But if you check this phone out, for you guys looking for something, some beat specs, hey, you won't be disappointed. All right, guys, thanks for checking me out today. Don't forget to subscribe to see my beautiful face. And also, if you want to see some really cool videos or watch some more tech news, if you look over here, just click on one of these squares and you get to see more of me. Until then, I'll see you guys later.